In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect printer to mobile via IP address. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Connecting your printer to any mobile device that you have using its IP address is extremely simple. For most models of printers, you will have to download a specific mobile app. So for example, for Brother printers, you need to download the Brother iPrint and Scan mobile app. For Epson printers, you have to do the same. So open the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the necessary application for your printer model. For this video, I cannot cover every single printer and every single manufacturer out there, but just make sure that they have some sort of application where you will be able to connect both devices. So once you have the app, all that you have to do is choose the option to link your device. They will give you plenty of options such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and of course, through its IP address. So whenever you browse through all of these options, you will be able to select the option to set it up manually. So for Browser, as long as you tap the option at the top right corner of the screen, you will be able to enter the IP address and get this process done. It is going to appear under the list of devices. Sadly, for this video, I don't have any available printer for me to demonstrate this process with. On the Epson iPrint app, you will once again be able to tap the devices, choose printer, and then one of the options is going to be manual IP. Now you can tap add at the bottom and then enter the IP address for your printer. Once it is listed here, you will be able to choose it and get this process done. Once again, I apologize for not being able to demonstrate this process in full, but regardless, all that you have to do is locate the option to set it up manually and then include the IP address as requested. And once both devices have been connected and found each other, you will be able to print any documents, images, and so on by choosing them from your mobile device. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect printer to mobile via IP address. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.